just a little DIY for a 2009 Nissan or a 2000 from a 2000 maybe 8 or 12. If your car don't want to start and you keep turning on the car and you don't hear no crank or nothing, your starter should be good. The problem is going to be the fuse on the battery on the power plus sign. It keeps popping. Okay, it's not the fuse. Your problem is going to be the alternator, because every time you hit the power on your car, the signal sends it from the battery, the fuse, to the alternator, and your alternator is bad, so it bounces back and it pops the fuse. Well, so there you go. Do not go buy one like for 300-400 bucks. I would suggest you go to your local junkyard. It's like two bolts and it just comes off. Might get it for like 30-20 bucks. And if you have a 2009, for example, for this one, I put a 2012 one on it. So just update, you know what I mean? Pretty simple stuff. It's gonna be your alternate is gonna be messed up. So go check that out. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.